Right, here we go everybody. It's not the end, it's just the beginning. We're going to extend it, but I might put a 48 volt 1000 watt motor on there with chunkier wheels, because it's going to need some torque to pull what I'm thinking of it pulling. It needs strengthening, it needs lengthening, it needs more power. So here we go, let's do it. Right, so now we have to try and extend this trike. I was thinking about putting a trailer on the back with a double set of wheels. I'll show you how I've done it. Fundamental physics flaw. Didn't see it. You can't have two solid axles and turn from the front. The middle one won't allow it to twist and turn. I should have known. So anyway, I'm just going to extend it now. So that other axle, probably use it as a trailer. I've got this, which is off the garage bar, the old garage door up there. I'm going to cut that, drill the holes, bolt and weld onto this section there, and hopefully extend it. And it will only bring this axle here, it'll bring that to here, which we can bolt on as well. And all it is, it's just an extra foot for the axle so that I can sit better, and also someone can sit behind me as well without it sort of tipping over, in a sense.